If you want to make one of these little gymnasts, here's a couple of tips. The pattern for this project will be in the description below. I used some copper wire and just rolled it up on the ends to hold the legs and the arms in place. Notice how the string is woven back and forth, just keeps the acrobat centered between the two posts. I tied off the knot on the string and then applied a little CA glue and CA glue activator to make sure it stayed in place. I glued on the center post and then used 2 nails that I pre-drilled for to clamp everything together as the glue dried. And I think you do need these nails to hold it together because you are going to apply a little pressure to it to get it to work. If you like this project, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.